welcome back to another video, and today we've got something slightly different. We're going to go onto the planes. So I've got something new I want to show you. So let's have a look at what we got. Bit of techno babble about this one. This one is 3 and 4S capable, and we do have both of these batteries available to test with this plane. So we've got the 300 milliamp 4S from Spectrum, and we've also got the 3S 300 milliamps from Spectrum. So we're going to fly the plane on both packs. This has also got fully functional flaps and a full set of LED lights on the plane also. You can hit it skill level 2, well out of my range. I think I'm probably about a 0.5. This guy here, Mike Patey, go and look him up on YouTube. The full size aeroplane was absolutely amazing. And this little model does it justice. It's fantastic looking little plane. All the techno waffle on the side of there. I'll put a link in the description where you can get it from. All of my stuff, I said in the last video, I'll get all my stuff from Redfin Models in Baldock, Hertfordshire in the United Kingdom. So go and give them some love. Let's get it unboxed and see what it looks like. So there we go, got it unboxed, and look at it, it's absolutely wicked. Awesome looking little plane, 800mm wingspan. Full gyro system on this, and it also includes a feature called safe mode. Theoretically, anybody can fly, and it's very hard to crash. We'll find that out in a little while, won't we? So looking at it, look at all the detail on it. It's got like the full detail of the full-size aeroplane. Very, very detailed, very lovely little aeroplane. And even the suspension work. Big old tyres there, so you can use it on nice grass fields. So there we go, we've got it all bound up now. Very easy to buy. This is the bind and fly version, so with this, you can get the templates off the Spectrum website, or actually with this one, they actually come already in the memory of the model. So you just select the model out of the memory, turn it on, bind it to that, and it's already set and done. Everything's already assigned as well, even all the high rates, dual rates.
Elevator, low rates.
They're all assigned to the transmitter already. So we've got flaps, full working flap. Look at all the lights at. What we're going to do, we're going to start it off on 3S in safe mode. So we have this safe mode available on here. This is on this switch here. Safe mode enabled now, and then I can turn it off as well. But we still have the gyro assisted flight. So that's where the battery sits in there. JST connector, and the little latch just magnetised, so it pops on like that. Lovely jubblies. All the lights are on. Looks absolutely fantastic. We're all ready now. It's all bound. So let's dribble. Let's take it out and smash it up. And remember everyone, you can win one of these limited edition RC 3D printed jet boats. The Game Over limited edition, or one of your choice. Link in the description. So we're going to fly the little Draco now, 800mm micro Draco. We're up here, nice open field. And as we said on the unboxing, because it's below 250 grams, we can fly it anywhere we want, as long as it ain't directly over someone or over someone's house. So we're going to stick a battery in it. We're going to try it in safe mode first. That's the one I told you about, where you literally can't crash it. So we'll get the battery in it and give it a go. Okay. On it. On it as well. We've got a throttle cut, so we can plug it in and we know the prop's not going to spin. There we go. So I can't remember what mode I'm in now. Okay, so now we have in safe mode. So it should be uncrashable. So we'll do one battery in safe mode. Right, take off time. Throttle cut off. Try and get it a bit closer to you, shall I? See, I don't like it, doesn't fly very well in safe mode, I don't think. Flies nice and slow though. So it flies really well. I'm not keen on safe mode. It doesn't let you do anything. Right, so I'm going to come around, land it, and then we're going to take off and turn safe mode off. So I'm not too keen on the way it flies. Okay, safe mode is currently on. We're going to turn that off. So that'll give me now full control. We also have flaps. Here we go again, non-safe mode. See how it is. Okay, so for me again, as I found with the last bind and fly model, it's out of the box, it's dreadful. It's horrible. It's like it's tail heavy again, but I guarantee you it's how it's set up out of the box. Right, landing it again. It's like it's always trying to point up, and I found that same thing with the timber. For me, it was very disappointing out of the box. I mean, with these models, normally with Eflite ones, I've not had to trim them or anything. Normally with the AS3X, you do not trim these models. It says in the manual. We're going to take it back out because I'm going to have to do that. Yeah, so I can't work out why it was all over the place. I can't understand why it was pitching up. So I've checked all the surfaces, twice, double checked them, and it says where they should be in the manual. So they're all flat. There was nothing out of trim. So I have no idea. So everything as it should be. So I can't work it out why it was pitching up. So I have taken it back out and I have trimmed it out on a 3S. And I had to put loads of down elevator trim to get it to actually fly straight, which is, I can't work out why, but it seems to fly a lot better. So all the control surface is working. So this is 4S, throttle cut off, end to end, off we go. See how it is. Yeah, it seems to fly really well. So no flaps at the moment. It's a little bit windy, nice and slow. Use a bit of rudder to turn this. Not the sort of plane you can do everything on ailerons. God, on 4S it's absolutely ridiculous, look. So quarter throttle, that is full power. It's absolutely mental on full power. So the good thing with these batteries is I've got telemetry, full telemetry with the transmitter. So if we do get, when the battery gets too low, it will let me know on the transmitter and it's time to land. Take off flaps in, see what it's like with slow speed. Bring it in nice and slow. So this is with just take off flaps. It does like to, if you get it too slow, it does try to drop a wing, even with the gyro. So a bit of power in the turns. So I'll do a circuit and then we'll try full landing flaps. So that's full flaps. You can fly it really slowly, but you just got to be careful in the turns. There we go, look. So look, that's half throttle. Try a bit of a barrel roll. Yeah, lovely. Ready? Full speed. Absolutely mental. Bit of rudder in there. Try a bit of a stall turn. Up we go. Bit of rudder. Yeah, don't like that very much. Got a bit of a touch and go. See how we get on with that. But he didn't like it last time because the grass is a little bit too long up here for this. Bit of a touch and go. Nice and slowly. It's absolutely superb on 4S. Look at that. Look at the power, look. Vertical, it's ridiculous. Oh, power off. It's like vertical's unbelievable with this, like with the 4S. It's insanity. How low we can fly it. Look at that. Ah, oopsie daisy. A little bit too low. Like we said, the grass is a bit too long over it. But just make sure you power off if things happen like that. Yeah, grass, look. A little bit too long for it. What a spectacular little plane this is. Definitely I say, guys, run it on 4S. Like we said, don't have to run it on full power all the time. Take off flaps. Off we go again. What I do want to do, let's see how the takeoff is with full flaps. We'll stick it in full flaps and see how quick it takes off, shall we? Wow, look at that. Look. Wow, it is impressive. So timer's counting down now, but I'm still going to go with the telemetry. Telemetry will start going off when I need it to. Right, so that's the end. There go the birds, get the birds. Right, bring them around. We'll do a loop. Here we go, loop. Power off, perfect. Lovely jubblies. Okay, so bring them around and we'll land it. Bit of landing flaps, I reckon. Oh well, but there we go, people. Absolutely fantastic little plane. Highly recommend it. Absolutely brilliant. And the NX6 as well. Perfect pair. So back to the house we go. So here we go. Got it back nice and safe. Didn't end up crashing it. And changed my mind on this little plane. With 3S, it was a little bit funky out of the box. I'd say for a first timer, I don't know if I'd recommend it or not. If you know someone that has one, who knows how to fly, if they can set it up for you perfectly so it flies lovely and trim it out, then yeah, it'd be absolutely perfect for a beginner. But it's quite expensive because obviously this is binder fly, so you will need a Spectrum transmitter, and they range from about £200 upwards. So you're looking at a minimum of about £400 for this setup. My setup is about £550. And then obviously with the batteries on top of that, they're about £20 each. So you're looking, for me, about £600 just for this setup. But once you've got the transmitter, you never need another one. The plane overall looks awesome, flies awesome when it's all trimmed out and working. It's absolutely fantastic. Love the look of it, love the way it flies, and love the scale detail on the plane. So yeah, brilliant little plane. If everyone likes this sort of video with me doing the planes, let me know in the comments. If you want more videos of me doing planes, let me know. I've got loads more, so I can do a few more videos. If you like this sort of video, like and subscribe. There'll be loads more videos coming this year, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ta, bye-bye now.